Time for the gusset. It's actually really simple. I have made you this gusset wide. It's more like oblong rather than round, so it's easier to put in. And also you've got the little protrusion there in the back, so you know exactly where to start your gusset. And the one thing I will say is don't pin it. Try to do what I'm doing here. As long as you've marked the center of the gusset and you marked the center front on the back piece, then it's fine. So what you want to do is start it, and then you're moving from both sides of fabric so it comes together towards the middle. And of course you have to line up your centers and then go back down. But you will find once you've done this once, you'll go, oh, I'll never pin this again. This is so easy, you know, as long as you know where to start, where the middle is, and where to end. It's absolutely fine, isn't it? Look at that. I mean, I really was surprised how easy this was. That's it, gusset, done. Now you overlock it as well, and all you need to do now is iron the seam into the gusset, and as you can see I blended in. That is the part that will give that extra room for the nappy, which is really important because a lot of the children's stuff has got a center fold in the front and the back, and therefore hasn't got the typical trouser shape. So we absolutely need this gusset, and it's really nice on this. It gives it the right shape and lots of room for your little one.